Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to delete your old Facebook account without password, email, phone and username. If you cannot access your old account and you have forgot your password, then first of all go to your new Facebook and search for your old account. Then go to that account and click on the three dots which is on the right side of your screen. Then click on report profile, then select pretending to be something. Then select me and then simply click on done. Once you do this, that profile will be reported. You can also ask your family friends to do the same to delete that account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.